Okay, this is going to be a quick one. This is more of a warning or be careful when you're getting unknown equipment. This one is not mine, it's a customer's, and I think one of the last customers I had in line that we were working on. Golden Eagle Mark II. This is the receiver. This is the I don't know if rare, but harder to find one with the Collins filter in it. One of my all-time favorite receivers. It's said or thought by many that tube radios with the Nuvistor front end, and those are Nuvistor tubes there, those two small cylinders. They are very small Nuvistor tubes, V1 and V2 upside down. It's said to be the best front end that you can design in a CB radio. And then as far as the second IL filter, the Collins mechanical filter is said to be the best filtering that you could use, you know, better than IF cans and other filters and circuits. So this radio is one of the rare, I can't think of any more off the top of my head, that have both the Nuvistors and the Collins filter. Some have one or the other. Like Tram Titans have the Collins filter, and I think some sonars and other radios have the Nuvistor front end, but it's hard to find a radio that have both. But anyway, to get to my be careful and warning thing is this fuse holder. Don't know if that looked right or funky, so we took it out to look at it, and it worked and all, but we took the fuse out, and I don't know if you could see it well, and looked at it. There you go. See that big thick wire in there? I'm like, holy moly, that's a big fuse. And if you can see on the bottom of the radio there, see if I can lift it up there, it calls for a 2 amp fuse, and I knew just from looking at it that that's not a 2 amp fuse, and finally found the markings on the top ends. 30 amp fuse. That thing will never blow. That'll burn your house down before that fuse blow. 30 amp fuse in a 2 amp well, in a radio that requires a 2 amp fuse. So you know, the rest of this radio, you know, a little dusty. I recapped it already, and you know, it looks pretty good underneath. I'm just hoping something that, you know, is not blown like the transformer or something, which would be very expensive and time consuming to replace. But anyway, if the fuse blow, you know, get your radio checked out, get it fixed. You know, it might be the caps or the diode or something, but probably the worst thing you can do is, if the fuse keep blowing, is to overfuse it. You know, a fuse is a protection device. It protects the radio or amp or whatever from drawing too much current, you know, blowing parts, blowing up, catching fire, all that stuff. So don't overfuse it, and go from a 2 amp to a 30 amp in a receiver at that. Wow. All right, that's it for this one. Bye.